Wadhi nyime kama gedo mar kambi gas mar tedo midendo ni Taifa gas madhi nyime dongo kundo e kaunti ma Mombasa osekalo kwan atamalo 80 kendo pod ichano yawe ayanga dwe mar 10 higani mar 2026. Kaluwore gi midusa mar gedo no Moses Ochieng, gedo mar kambi no dhi muonyo omenda maromo shillings bilion 16 kendo biro bedo kod thuolo mar ting'o tan 30,000 mar gas mar tedo. Okoni en gedo mar gini rumo mar gedo no bende biro konyo e duoko chien nengo mar gas e pacho ka kendo biro medo chiwo thuolo mag tije ne jodak kokoni nyaka sani ji moyawo 300 tiyo kanyo.
This is a LPG storage plant of capacity 30,000 metric ton within the special economic zone. The project is scheduled for commissioning mid of October, and we are on the right progress to achieving these timelines. We are receiving our LPG from KOT, that is Kipevu Oil Terminus. We have been allocated berth number 3. That's where we are going to have the LPG manual loading arm for this project. The pipeline works are ongoing. We have started laying out of the pipeline. Commissioning means that we are going to have LPG stored in this plant, and going forward the market prices of LPG, considering that we are going to pump 30,000 metric ton into the market at one go. It's been a vision that the government provide affordable liquid petroleum gas to the masses. So that is one of the vision that we have, and all going well, we expect in October we shall have it in our markets.